Private.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel with another video. In this video I will discuss about the latest job vacancy coming from Airworks India Engineering Private Limited, Nagpur. So this video is not for freshers, this video only for the student or the technicians who have huge experience in aviation, or like on Boeing, Airbus, these types of aircrafts. Okay, so see this full video, like, share, subscribe, and be a part of Fly with Sharnabu. And here you can get all the job vacancies and latest news coming from DGC or the airlines. So be a part of Fly with Sharnabu. So without any wasting time, let's start. So first we know about the Airworks. Airworks India Engineering Private Limited, Nagpur. It's a big MRO, maintenance repair overall organization. So it's provide basically the capability of Airbus A320, Boeing 737, ATR, Quarter, these types of aircraft maintenance done here. So many of aircrafts come here and it's full maintenance done by Airworks India Engineering Private Limited. It is a big MRO. Okay, so they hiring B1, B2 AMEs for AW169, AW139, King Air Plus B200 and Legacy 650. It is urgent hiring vacancy. मतलब means you apply and after some days you got this job after it's provide interviews. So roles and responsibilities you know all. That's like execute inspections and checks on designated aircraft as per approved maintenance program. Ensure completion and certification of all task cards and worksheets, inspection schedules, maintenance records, everything. Undertake and certify airworthiness directives and other mandatory modifications. Issue certificate of release to service (CRS) for test flight and ferry flights according to the aircraft engine system as per their CA in the respective category. Okay. Ensure usage and installation of only approved square parts and all other duty certificate materials on aircraft. So Airworks offers you a structure and active working environment. Okay, आप अच्छे से काम कर सकते हो. And opportunity to work with India's biggest independent aviation service provider. Lifelong relationship means आपको छाटेगा नहीं कभी भी, आपको रख लेगा पूरा टाइम के लिए. And positive and progressive work culture that rewards methodology and hard work. So how you can apply? I provide a link below the description. You go through this link and collect your more others informations and you see how you apply for this job.
After clicking that link, you have to come the main website of Airworks India Engineering Private Limited. Here you have to see the advertisement, that is B1 and B2 AMEs for AW169, AW139, King Air Plus B200 and Legacy 650, and that is very much urgent. Now you go and take your more information, that's like your roles and responsibilities, skills required, and Airworks offered you everything. You collect your information, then you click on the apply option. You have see apply button, click on that apply button. After that a link will be provided there, means a application form. Here you give your full name, contact detail, everything. That's like you see personal information, full name, email ID, then contact number, date of birth, your current location, do you have valid passport, do you have any Aadhaar card, do you have any PAN card, upload your CV, everything. Experience, how much your experience in aviation field, if you are out of country, share how much experience have there, have you worked in previously in Airworks, everything you have to share in there. Okay, now your current employment means what are you doing now. So please provide your current company name. If you don't work anywhere, so you can write NA. Please provide your current designation, notice period, your current monthly salary, how much you can get where you work. Okay, so everything you will give here. Your expected salary kitna, what is your education skills and endorsement, select your education, select your AME course. If you completed your full of license paper, you click on BAMEC. if you don't clear, if you click on AME diploma, which kind of work you have done on work aircraft, Airbus, Boeing. That's like current endorsement. Select your category also, B1 planning, B2 planning, technician, everything. Then where you can get this advertisement, you give me from others. If you give me their options, where from you give me my YouTube channel name, so it's your choice. And now you finally you submit your application. Okay, so after that fill up this form, a mail come your email ID, and after that they will call you for an interview. After successfully completed their interview, they just come back you very soon. That's like very soon. Okay, so best of luck for your job. So thank you and goodbye. Means they hired you basically up to 31st August, and it's full process. And if you new this channel, please like, share, subscribe, because you get all the job vacancy here and latest news coming from DGC. And please reach help to reach this channel to 1K and be a part of Fly with Sharnabu. So thank you and goodbye.